Ay, touch it, lick it, ride it.
Myself touch it, lick it and ride it.
Central, had to treat private.
Alright.
Be done, animal is safi.
Alright.
Mr. Officer, I don't need sirens. Yeah.
Angie, body. Shake your body.
Reaction.
Yes, people, yes. Y'all recommended this song. Y'all literally recommend this song under every video I've posted. So shout out to y'all. I'm gonna give it to y'all right now. I seen a few comments saying that I think I seen it too while I was scrolling. Massacre. Not massacre. I said massacre. What the hell am I talking? Listen, I just woke up today. You feel me? Bear with me. This is why I'm posting so late today. Because you guys have been posting very early. Because I'm trying to keep up with y'all time zone over there. But anyways, let's start it. So I think Conscience did a remix to this song. But this is a music video, so this is what I want to react to. That was a music video. You know, we like the music video, so we like to see the girls there. Man, y'all know what I like by now. I ain't gotta tell y'all too much. Let's just get straight to the video. But first, what I do, like the video. Let's get the video to 500 likes. 500 likes on this video. Can we get 500 likes, please? You, like the video, please. Like the video. Then drop some comments of any video you want to see me react to down below in the comment section. And let's enjoy it, because y'all it's gonna be the most lit reaction video you ever see in your life. Let's go.
I like that CCN.
This anthem goes to
Angela.
Bad. Hey, Angie.
People, this is the video start out. Hold on. If video start out with your deep throat in the icicle, me blood clothes. Go on! Don't get in your throat, girl. Then she wanted that. Hey!
I like that CCN.
You must feel like a boss right there, so other people just laying down with all girls around him and them at work. Oh my gosh!
This anthem goes to
Angela.
Bad.
Woo!
Hey, Angie. Hey, what you say?
Angie!
Angie, body. Hey, what you say? Angie, body.
Alright.
Shake your body.
Alright.
Angie, know you want me.
Alright.
Try me.
Angela, I know you like teasing, I know you like freaking, I know you sound easy. Angela, am I the one scheming? Am I the one cheating? No, you just don't feel me.
My sexy angel Angela, with you Hakuna Ma.
I know you sound easy. Angela, am I the one scheming? Am I the one cheating? No, you just don't feel me.
My sexy angel Angela, with you Hakuna Matata. Hunyashwa nipa furaha, itabidi tumechanga hiyo sadaka. Akiwalai nimekupata, can't lose you niko rada. Big size jiggy baby uko sawa. I'm addicted, Angela my dawa. Angie, body. Shake your body. Angie, know you want me. Try me.
Angela, I know you like teasing, I know you like freaking, I know you sound easy. Angela, am I the one scheming? Am I the one cheating? No, you just don't feel me.
Angie, body. Shake your body. Angie, know you want me. Try me.
Yeah,
Try me.
Hey, Angie, why you so enticing? Body look good, body like munchies. Figure here, boom, make it bombastic. Why you look good, but you don't like it? Ay, touch it, lick it, ride it. Central, had to treat private. Niko na be done, animal is safi. Mr. Officer, I don't need sirens. Yeah.
Angie, body. Shake your body.
People, Nothing wrong with the mic. I'm just not talking. I'm speechless. I wish that was me right there, right now in that video. Let's go!
Lick it, ay, touch it, lick it, ride it.
Myself touch it, lick it, and ride it.
Central, had to treat private.
Alright.
Be down, animally safi.
Alright.
Mr. Officer, I don't need sirens, yeah.
Angie, body. Shake your body.
Ooh.
Angie, know you
Love
got
me.
me.
Hey.
Try me.
Angela, I know you like teasing, I know you like freaking, I know you sound easy.
Angela, I know you like teasing and you like freaking and you're so easy. Angela, go on.
Angela, am I the one scheming, am I the one cheating, or you just don't feel me?
Angie, body. Shake your body. Angie, know you want me. Try me.
Angela, I know you like teasing, I know you like freaking, I know you sound easy.
Angela,
am I the one scheming, am I the one cheating, or you just don't feel me?
Angie,
This just it. This just it. Angela, you done finish me. Many man Lisa.
Taxi on the beat.
that is it. Yeah. What do we do? What on? The video done? That's it?
Try me.
Yeah.
That's it?
And why you so fantastic? Why you look good, but you
I know this is an actual news broadcaster from freaking Kenya doing the routine to the song. But the video is finished.
don't like it? Hey, and why you so enticing? Body look good, body like munchies.
Wait.
Bigger here,
Is there a TikTok to the song?
lick it, ride it. Central, had to treat private. Lick it, ride it.
Do you want me to react to some TikToks from the song, people? If you want me to react to TikToks from the song, I'll go look them up on TikTok and find them. Obviously TikTok, but
I know you like freaking, I know you sound
Try me.
yeah. So if you watch the video all the way to the end, people, I definitely react to some TikToks from this song. Even though it's like 2 years old, I will still do it because y'all just don't find out about my channel. So y'all probably want to see my reaction to that, don't you? So let me know right now if you want me to do it, and I'll definitely do it for y'all. But I'm gonna edit this video and drop it up for y'all right now. Thank you to everyone who recommended this song. I really enjoyed it. I may have been speechless a few moments in the video, more than a few, but that's because I was, a little hypnotized by all the beautiful cheeks that I was seeing in the video. Even though I just woke up, that definitely woke me up. So I'll see y'all in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Let's go to 100K. We're on the road to 100K subscribers. We're almost at 62,000. I think I'm like 100 subscribers away from hitting 62,000 subscribers. So let's get to it. And we need 500 likes on this video. So like the video. Peace.